Glutathione for longevity gene activation, switching on your anti-aging blueprint. A comprehensive review published in Nature in 2022 revealed that glutathione activates the same longevity genes that caloric restriction does, essentially giving you the anti-aging benefits of fasting without actually fasting. We're talking about SIRT1, SIRT3, and SIRT6 genes that actually control how fast you age at the cellular level. And glutathione turns them on like a master switch. Studies show proper glutathione levels in our bodies can increase our cellular antioxidant capacity by up to 50% while triggering our cells to make brand new healthy mitochondria. This represents the body's innate intelligence for self-renewal. We're simply providing the tools it needs to express its full potential.